Hello folks, Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital. Many of you have asked the question, what is the difference between a will and a trust? Mona Parsa, which is now the trust attorney that we're working with, is here to answer that question. Mona.
Thank you. Well, there's many differences between having a will and having a trust, but the main difference is the fact that wills go through probate, whereas trusts don't. And probate is a court process that every will in the state of California has to go through in order for your heirs to access your assets when you pass away. And the reason why families want to protect their heirs from having to go through this process is for many reasons, but I'll go over 3 of those right now. One is the fact that probate takes a long time. I'm being very generous when I say that probate takes about 1 year. It can take a lot longer. It's an indefinite period of time. Marilyn Monroe's, I always like to give this example, hers took 19 years. And for however long as probate does take, your assets are frozen, so your heirs can't touch anything until probate is done. So maybe you have young heirs and there's school expenses, health expenses. You want them to use your assets for that. They can't. They have to wait until probate is done. Whereas when you have a trust, your heirs get it whenever you want it to be, either immediately or later down the line, let's say on their 21st birthday. You get to dictate that. And another issue too regarding probate is the fact that it's very costly. There's going to be attorney fees, court fees, executor fees. These fees have to come out of your estate before then the remaining is given to your heirs. So that's less for your heirs to inherit. And one more issue that I'll go over is the fact that probate is a public process. There are people that can come and learn about the contents of your estate, who your beneficiaries were, whereas when you have a trust, it's a completely private document. The only people that will know about the contents of the estate and who inherited what are those that are named within the document itself.
Great. Well folks, if you have any other questions, Mona looks forward to answering them as well. Thanks so much for your time.